Hey everybody, excuse me. Today I'm going to be installing the Holosun EPS on my Glock 17 Gen 6. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll get into it. So there is a Allen key supplied with the Glock 17, but I will be using my Wheeler Engineering Fat Ridge to do this because there's some torquing requirements, and this will torque it when the time comes for that. The instructions call for, where is it? Oh, this is supplied in the Glock 17. This is the number 2 plate that goes in here. I've already removed the cover. So this plate goes in here like that, kind of clicks in, and you see that. This is for the RMR style footprint optics. Now, the Holosun EPS comes with this adapter plate. And the way this works, you place this in here. See those little plastic nubs from those are the plastic nubs on the number 2 plate. They fit right into the sides of the Holosun plate, right there and right there. So then you screw this plate into the slide, and then you will screw the optic into these screw holes on the plate. So these ones with recessions, that's where you use the Glock screws to screw this into the slide, and then I'll use the Holosun hardware through the optic into these screw holes. So the Glock screws had Loctite on them. Let me get this started. I'm going to be adding a little bit more fresh Loctite. Gotta get these started just right. It likes this one better. Maybe I'll get it started with this little bit. Tricky getting this first thread in there. Oh, you know what it is? These are the ones for putting, these are the Glock screws to either put the plate back on. So I need to use the hardware that came with the Holosun. Make sure I use the same length ones. If you use ones that are too long, it'll interfere with the workings of the gun. Wish these were, I guess they are labels. You need the number 6-32 times 6.5 screws. So that's these ones. These are what I need to attach the plate. And these have Loctite on them already. All right, let's try it again. There we go. Do these to 15 pounds. Should be good. So maybe now I'm supposed to use the Glock screws. Glock screws are too short, so I have to use one of these two. I think it's the 8.5s, 6x32 by 8.5. Yeah, that's it. Use the 6x, these are in the EPS, the 6x32 by 8.5 screws. Torque down to 15. And these had Loctite on them. There we go. That's the Holosun EPS installed on the Glock 17 Gen 6. It's bright in there. All right. So to recap, use the number 2 Glock plate, the polymer plate that fits in the slide, the Holosun RMR adapter plate goes on top of that, screws in with the Holosun number 6 32 by 6.5 screws, and then use the 6 by 32 by 8.5 screws to attach the Holosun to the adapter plate. And now it is attached, ready to go. Take this out and sight it in and shoot it. Hope that helped.